Alright y'all, welcome back to the channel, and today is going to be a freelance brand scaling challenge I have for myself and that I have for others that want to learn. So today I'm going to see how many clients and new brands I can get in just one day, and the results is literally insane. Now you can just imagine a week or even a single month. So I'm going to use my exact strategy to see how many brands I can get. So just stay tuned and make sure I hit that like, comment, and subscribe. Now this challenge is only going to go on for 1 week, but I'm going to see how many I can get in one day, and then you just do the math off of today's results, which is literally going to be insane because I already know. I have a lot of calls booked, so stay very tuned. Now, the only thing is like, bro, I be forgetting to pick up the camera sometimes. So I already know like some of these calls I'm going to forget to pick up the camera. So, but I'm gonna try my best. I'm really gonna try hard to pick up the camera. In this video, I'm not gonna be flexing numbers or nothing like that for real. I'm just gonna show you how many people I can close in one day and how much I do on like a daily basis, so you can just do the math and see for yourself. So yeah, maybe, and then maybe you can like take some inspiration and do this on your own. So if you want to learn freelance brand scaling, make sure you fill out that form in the description. And I'll see y'all while I get clients. Yeah.
Nothing. Like I said, I tried running ads. I've been trying running ads. Nothing. So yeah, I mean, I'm already lost with this shit for real.
Yeah, nah. Cause I mean, bro, like your products, one, your pricing. How the fuck can you price it so low?
I think you're muted.
Oh shit. My dumb ass, bro. My fault. But like I was about to say, nah, your products are hard as hell. But one, like how can you price it like so low? Like, bro, I know you can get sales.
Bro, see that like my sweatsuits when I dropped them, they were like 60 a piece, which I thought was fair. And no sales. I dropped it to 30, got a couple sales, which I can still afford to sell it at 30 because I paid 30%.
Yeah.
So I'm selling it 30 each. But like still no sales for real. And then the jeans, like for a minute I'm like, damn, it's my product. You know, people be lying to you when they tell you your shit's hard.
Yeah.
But like when I was just in Atlanta, I linked up with Anicia's manager. 4 bats want to get my jeans. Like, so niggas fuck with it, but I just cannot sell the shit.
Nah, facts. And bro, I ain't gonna lie, like I just dropped some like last month. I dropped some plain denims, and them shits was fucking selling like crazy. So I know you could easily get a lot of sales, especially with that price. So yeah, I ain't gonna lie. But did you? Is that something that you wanted to do,
Yeah,
bro?
like I said, it's just the trust part.
Yeah, like, you have to be very, very careful with like who you're working with. But who was it?
What'd you say?
Who was it?
Like I said, at the start, you know, everybody lied to you, but like I'm starting to get like positive reviews from like important people, and I'm starting to think like, what the fuck's going on?
Yeah.
If niggas are fucking with it like this, how am I? Hold on, let me. I'm definitely trying to lock it, but I'm gonna just give you my angle. Like I want it to be like, I want it to be business oriented, but I don't want it to be just like just transactional.
Nah,
like,
yeah.
Hey, I'm trying to link with you and shit like on a personal.
Yeah, no. Facts.
Let me show you. I'm gonna do my all-time one here. So like, really not even that much sessions for it.
But still, bro, like, bro, you could do like, bro, I could damn near get you that in like a fucking week. I ain't gonna lie. That's just like.
Let me show you since I started trying to run ads. 500 sessions, but it's just meaningless. Like 3 orders and one was from somebody I know.
Yeah, I see.
And like I said, I'm trying to lock it, so I'm not trying to get sauce from you.
No.
Yeah. I just want to show you like. So the way I first did ads, I literally, to me, I would say it's just glorified boost posts because I used better ads on an already existing post. But then I tried to switch it up to like one campaign with like 3 ad sets. Like I have 3 different ad sets, 3 different creatives. So like, I'll show you all the creatives. this is the creative for one. I just tried to do like a flat lay picture.
Yeah, and that's a good creative. I always recommend flat lays.
Then a flat lay video, and then like I said, professionalism.
Yeah,
do this,
not facts.
It got sessions like usual, but didn't translate to shit. And
so then it's a probably, well, I would have to, well, for you, I would like dive into like your brand and then like look into your Shopify. Well, look into your ad account first and then look into your Shopify and see what the problem is, because one, it's more than likely, if the sessions is coming in, it's the website, because it's not the price, it's the website. So then your website has to be fixed, and that. But I'm telling you, if you lock in, I'm going to get you, especially those sweatsuits too. Like we might even raise the price on that shit just because. But
like I said, we locked. I'm just trying to get like the rundown.
Nah, facts. So, well, I got another call in like 10-15 minutes, but I'm gonna type up this contract and everything like that, and get everything set up, and then tonight, I gotta record a YouTube video tonight, but are you free tomorrow or no? If you're free tomorrow, we can hop back in the call, do you wake up, not early, but do you wake up like within a reasonable time? Yeah. Okay, well then we can hop back on call tomorrow and get everything like set up. Yeah. Alright, bet, bro. Alright, for sure. Alright, you too. Alright, vlog. So as you can see, we just got one closed for about $800 up front. That's $800 already on the day. And it's about 12 o'clock. Oh, it's 1. It's 1 o'clock. $800 on for the day. We got like 5 or 6 more calls, so we're going to see how they go. So just stay tuned. Alright, bye-bye. Alright, y'all, so I literally just got off another call. That is my second one for the day. I have like 3 or 4 more, I don't know. But so far, I mean, he won it. I almost closed him, but he said he's going to hit me back up in like the next couple of days. So I already closed him, but I haven't received payment, so I don't count it. So really, we're 1 for 2 today. I got to get better. I got to go harder. I got to. But now I'm about to go to the grocery store and pick up some fruit snacks. If you know me, you know I love fruit snacks. So I need to go get some fruit snacks. Because, bro, I literally... Hold on, let me take y'all in here. Bro. I literally ate all my fruit snacks in one day, bro. Like, I genuinely ate all of these in one day. Don't ask me how, I just did it, bro. Like, I love fruit snacks. And yeah, bro. I got like 4 more calls, so I need to hurry up. And I need to clean up in here because, bro, like, it is a mess. So I'm going to get back to y'all whenever my next call is. I'm just going to, like, skip to it so, like, y'all can hear a little bit. I'm not going to explain everything, like, let y'all hear everything in the call because it's, like, what's the word? Confidential. It's too confidential. And, yeah, I'm just going to, like, bro, oh my God, I cannot think. All right, I'm just going to get back to y'all whenever I'm in my next call, bro. Holy.
I do have my Instagram set up as with my Facebook already. Is there any way like we'll be able to like switch that out so like y'all can run it?
Yeah, well, all you would do is just add us to the Facebook. Like the meta, yeah. So like, well, tell me a little bit about your brand, because in order to like figure out how I want to scale your brand, I need to like, in order to scale your brand in general, like you need to, like, I need a brand image. I need to picture like who you're selling to. So like it comes with like a full structure of a brand, not just ads on its own. Yeah. But yeah, nah, bro. Like I think like with the route that you're going down has a lot of potential. Fuck. Huh? No, I thought he was, but I forgot he didn't even drop yet.
He wasn't even ready yet?
Nah. Alright, y'all, so that was fucking almost closed, but he'll be ready later. So now I got another call. Yo.
I'm not like in a good spot.
Huh?
Hear me?
Yeah.
I said my camera gonna be off because I'm not really in this spot.
Oh no, you good. What's good, bro?
What's up?
Ain't shit, chilling. What about you?
I'm doing good.
That's good.
But my next drop is not until May. I'm waiting for it to get made.
Okay.
Yeah, so I feel like, to be honest, it won't be this month, you know?
Okay.
And I know that y'all probably working with, I know you're gonna be working with hella people. Booked
Yeah. Nah, facts.
But hopefully, I'm not, the price not gonna be nothing by that time, so.
Nah.
I'll be able to pay it.
Alright, for sure. Well, just hit me up and let me know then. There's no rush.
Alright, bet.
Alright, bet, bro.
Alright, good.
Alright, you too. Bro, this is like the most alright, so y'all heard, bro, I'm literally recording right now. Y'all heard it firsthand. Bro, this is like my pet peeve when talking to brand owners. Bro, they don't be dropping until a month and you gotta wait. But then they do hit you up. That's why it's good to talk to them on the phone, because they eventually will hit you back up. As long as you provide them value on the phone, like how I did for him, he's gonna come back later. And paying that up front is not gonna be any reason. But fuck, damn, man, bro, that is the most aggravating. Bro, this is raw and uncut. Y'all seen it firsthand, bro, what I go through on a daily basis, bro. All right, vlog. So as you could see today, we went 2 for I went 3 for 3 for 5, which is not too bad. But I mean, I really could have went more. It's just one of them said that they'll hit me up within the next few days, and the other ones were just saying they're dropping next month, but they will hit me back up. Which 9 times out of 10, are they gonna hit me back up? I don't know, but that's still a good sign because I provided enough value for them to say they're willing to work with me next month, and they plan on working with me next month, which is amazing to hear. Which means I did my job. You can't close them all. But that's what a lot of people don't show you. You will not close them all. But yeah, y'all, look at the crib, though. Bro, this shit is such a vibe. Gang, this shit is a vibe. Look at the city. But yeah, y'all, I got to get back to work right now. And I got to clean up because I got company tomorrow. So I'm about to clean up. And yeah, that's really just all I'm about to do right now is just finish this work, and then I'm going to clean up because, bro, bro, look at my bed. Bro, my bed is a mess. I just need to really just clean up, and that's what I'm gonna do after this. But today has been a great day. I might have one more call tonight, and I will vlog it. But let's see how much I made for the day. All right. So I won't show I don't know if I can show this, but we have 3 from today. We have 3 from today. So made around 1,700 so far. Now if I can close this last one and get to this 2K, bro, oh my god, I will be so happy. But yeah, y'all, freelance brand scaling is the best thing in the world. Bro, months ago, bro, I literally just went from making, just from my brand money, just making that money, to making over $30,000 profit just off brand scaling itself. Mind you, today, this month, my goal is to make $40,000, which means I have to make over over $1,300 a day. So I've already passed it today, but I want to keep it going so tomorrow can be a better day, which usually the weekends are better, but I don't know. We'll see. So yeah, y'all just stay tuned, and I'm gonna see if I can record this next call. I don't know, because sometimes I just forget to pick up the camera. I don't know, bro. But yeah, I'm gonna get back to y'all. All right, so right now I just got done knocking out some client work, which was I was getting just changing up some settings in the ad account and just really scaling a few of these brands that I've just started on. And like one thing I've learned is like Alright, so I've just been in ad accounts and just working for these past few hours, so I really haven't been having a chance to vlog. But if you are looking to make your first $10,000 a month, learning how to brand scale and getting clients, fill out that form in the description. There will be a free training so you can watch it and learn how to start freelance brand scaling, and fill out that information so I can contact you. Because trust me, you want to start now or you will be in the same position you were in before. It's time for something new. But yeah, like I was saying, it's like, bro, I literally started this 3 years ago and just started scaling other brands as of recently, as of like last fall. But every brand I've worked with, for the most part, has been doing crazy numbers because I know what it takes to not only start a brand, but run a brand and scale a brand. It comes with products, good products, marketing, and so on and so forth. So, like, a lot of people ask me, like, how long have I been scaling brands? I've been scaling my own brand for like 3 to 4 years now, because I don't know if you know who I am, but I have a $1 million brand. As you can tell with this Shopify right here, I have over $1 million in sales and over 10,000 orders in sales with just one of my brands. And I just started another brand and it's already made $25,000. So I know what it takes to start a brand and scale a brand. So I really help the brands that I work with. So like when I close them, they pretty much already know who I am, and brands like my personal brand. So it's just trust. They trust me enough to help them build their brand. And my proof and results is in the pudding. Like, it's not really, you just have to provide value to these brand owners on the call in order to close them so they can trust you, because you have to one, know what you're talking about. And like, it's literally so easy to get your first client. I cannot explain how easy it is. I literally, my first month of starting, I gotten over like 6 to 10 brands that I scaled within my first month. So if I could do that, I can guarantee you can get at least 2 to 3 within your first month. If not even more, if you put in the work. It's all about how dedicated you are. Because if you're not dedicated, then I would not recommend you start freelance brand scaling. But if you are, I highly recommend it, because in this video I made, just for the first day, I made around $1,700. So just do the math on that for the whole rest of the month. Like this, it's literally, as proof in the pudding, I'm showing you firsthand how much money I'm making a month doing this. And this is not even the percentages off of the results that I'm getting. So if you just do the math, you can just imagine how much I'm making. So that's gonna wrap up this vlog. Not really. That's gonna wrap up this video. If you want to learn how to get your first and make your first $10,000 your first month as a freelance brand scaler, and get your first few clients, fill out that form in the description. It's the first link, and there will be a free training in there as well. So make sure you watch that video to learn a little bit beforehand. And make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And I'm going to see you in the next video.